Morning guys, it's Wednesday 10th of November 2021, coming up to about quarter to 10 a.m. here in the UK. So what do we have today news wise? Always look at the news, the high priority news, see what's coming out. Nothing until 1:30 p.m. so quite a few hours time. 1:30 p.m. UK time in the afternoon. USD, CPI news, core news, so just be aware of that. Otherwise, not much today at all. Something I'm looking at the moment is I don't normally trade 15-minute time frames, but there's a little bit of a range here on pound yen. I do believe that pound yen will potentially break this range and come and test this low here after this big impulse. I think this is potentially basically the end of this impulse move where those sellers are dying out and we see the retracement. And 15-minute, we have inside the range, we have the low tested here. Okay, so we tested here. This is the range low, but look carefully. We've had a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, so inverse head and shoulder pattern. So potentially that could be back on its way at least to the top of the range, and do something like that. So keep your eyes on that. It might even break out of the range, and if it does, I'll look for a correction, and then we can look to trade it up towards 154.80. Pound yen still got a trade resting on that at 85.04. Just want that to spike down into the zone there, trigger us in. Beautiful zone this of support, resistance. Great high value area to actually put a buy limit there, or to put an alert there and see what happens when price gets there. So if your alert goes off, you'll be going down to smaller time frames, maybe 15-minute, hourly. Only what time frames you can view, depending on your schedule. And you're looking for buyers to come in, changes of cycle, morning star patterns, quite a few things you could be looking for there. So that's a resting order still. And euro yen, for our end of day traders, we have a buy stop above yesterday's high. I have posted this chart, but looking for price to push up potentially towards 134. We can see this double bottom here, impulse correction, higher low, impulse correction, higher low potentially at previous resistance, could become new support. Look for a break of that, come to the top of this bearish bullish flag, I should say, and taking some profit off the table there, putting our stop to break even, hoping that it then pushes outside of the flag. Potentially another trade here on a correction on a smaller time frame, and then up to 134. So basically it's an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. That's the projection anyway. So have a little look at that. Is there anything else I can add? Well, we're actually right at the top of this structure here, so it'd be interesting to see if we break out. We might even get a break and retest at the top of this structure, so you can look at that as well, maybe on a 15-minute. So yeah, euro yen is actually one of my favorite charts at the moment. We've closed our Aussie dollar trade and our Swiss yen trades. We've been trading that. And now really the focus is pretty much on euro yen. That is top of my list anyway. US 30, the Dow, bullish market obviously. CTL, counter trend line, potentially a double bottom here. Okay, here's your CTL, here's your double bottom. I want to see a break, retest at this level, and then a morning star pattern or a test and rejection of this level to go long. So keep your eyes on that, because there could be a trade on the Dow, on the US 30, but you'll have to keep your eyes open for that one. All right, so plenty to look for. We've got pound yen, M15 inverse head and shoulders, euro yen, looking for that to break out to the upside. Euro pound buy limits in place, and Dow looking for that to push to the upside, retest of this 36,320 level. So yeah, let's see what the day brings. Have a great one, guys. See you later. Bye.